Hi friends, today we are going to see one temple. The temple is in Chennai Bangalore highway near Sri Perumbudur. Such a old temple. So it's near to that industrial area. This is the industrial area road. Inside of this area only the village name is Oraneri. In that place the temple is situated. Okay, so let's see the temple. So see friends how it is. See big trees and all covered the whole temple. This temple was built, I think my assumption is it is nearly 1500 years old temple, I think. So see the designs, see the architectural works, because that 2-inch bricks, no, now it is not, now we are using big bricks, but the 2-inch bricks is used before 1500 years ago only. See that big tree is fully covered the temple. See its leaves. It's really great to see. Such a pleasure to come here. I came with my friends. Those people also devotees. So I have seen this one video about this temple, and I like to see this temple. So we came here. So see the Nandi statue. Lord Shiva is there inside of the temple. See that neem tree fully covered. It is like what to say, inside the temple is there. See that Lord Muruga statue, and here the Lord Shiva. The Shiva name is Ardhanarishwara. See that Avudayar means the bottom of the lingam. How it is? It is quite different, like Kasi. It is there. So it's a very amazing temple. When I go inside of the temple, I felt some feel which is quite different. We can't explain that much of peace I had. See, this is the outer area of the temple. Near to that place, one Amman temple is there. Goddess temple is there. So such a great temple. If you want to visit, means you can if you want to see, if you want to get the blessings of Lord Shiva, means you just come, which is just 45 kilometers only from our area. So great, but you should have your own bike, or you can come by auto also, but it is not walkable distance from the main road. Okay, so see the full view of the temple with the tree. The tree is fully covered. I think the tree may be 200 years old. So this is the inscription which we have seen in that outside of the temple. I think this inscription may be 500 or 600 years old. Those any other people who have renovated, they have written this like this, because it's a recent Tamil only it is. So finally, I too have meditated inside of that temple. Really, I felt I can't explain that feel, that much of pleasure I have felt. So if you want to feel the same feel, please come to this temple. This is my first English video regarding to the temple. It is only for those who don't know Tamil. Okay. Thanks to all. Om Namah Shivaya. Tennadudaya Shivane Pochi. Ennattavarkum Iraiva Pochi. I am Ranjit. Thank you.